There, champ barbecuers. Today, we're doing up some smoked queso in the Pitboss Vertical 7. Oh, hell yeah. So this smoked queso was the hit of the party and very easy to do. We're cooking at 350 for about 45 minutes total in a Dutch oven. So you want to get yourself a brick of Velveeta. Cut that up, chop that up. Cook a pound of breakfast sausage. Yeah, sounded weird to me. But this was a recipe I found from Meat Church. Oh hell yeah, this was dynamite. Don't let it scare you guys. I was worried. It came out excellent. 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Sounds very odd. It does. But man, I don't care. Everybody raved. Everybody raved. So then you're going to get yourself another about 8 to 10 ounces smoked Gouda. You're going to throw that in the pot. You're getting this all together. A can of diced tomatoes. 2 cans of smaller diced tomatoes with some green chilies. Put that in there. Get a touch of heat going. And then a little more heat with that Uncle Steve's sweet and spicy R. About 4 ounces of that. You're going to mix that all up in it. And then you're going to pop that in whatever cooker you're using at 350. Check it in about 15 minutes. Stir it around. Check it again. And then after about 45 minutes, this comes together perfect. Oh, use whatever chips and whatever you want. Use this as a topping on tacos or whatever. Man, it was dynamite. It was rocking, and I will definitely do it again. I added some cilantro and some fresh jalapeno slices to it, and damn, whoo, it was good. Smoking delicious. Cheers. That's rocking. So having such an easy, quick cook gave me much more time for extra things to do. I did cook up a little bit of chicken as well, and we had some 7-layer dip. It was my son's birthday, his favorite food, Mexican grill.
Happy birthday, bro. Look, you cougar me. Is it good? Love you.
And that's what we did here. We had a damn good time. It was just delicious food. And yeah, you can't beat this smoked queso. I'm gonna do it again. I might put in some tweaks here and there, but this recipe, you can't beat it. Try it. You will love it for sure. And comment down below if you ever are going to try it. Leave a link to your video if you do one. You will not regret it for sure. Oh, hell yeah, folks. So I got some new stuff coming. It's already here. The new flag with the new logo, which is a little more updated than this one as well. That's gonna go up soon. And I'm gonna redo this roof. Has to be redone. The couple tarps that are up there got some leaks. Oh, we can't have that up in here. Although we've been in a drought, so I've been lucky, and that's why I didn't know that there was actually over in this way and somewhere over here, a couple little spots that are dripping on heavy rain, which we've got some rain coming. But what we do have coming tonight, it's hot as hell and dry, we've got a new sticker for the board, which there's only a couple more little spots, but I got more. I got 2 more boards like I keep saying. So email me at beardchampbarbecue@gmail.com. Send me your information. I'll send you stickers. You send me stickers. We support one another. The barbecue community is awesome. We rock together. Together we're strong. And this one, just a little thank you from, oh hell yeah, I really dig his area that he's got. Like, I got a shanty here, but Lewis from Our Shack Barbecue, oh, he sent me 2 stickers, and this is a good size that will fit up there with all of them fellas. Thank you, brother. I enjoy your videos, and I hope you enjoy mine. I believe that you do. So you're going up on the board, and keep on barbecuing. And I love his barbecue area is really cool. So is Trendkill. If you ever watch his channel, he's got a lot of views, subs, and all that good stuff. But he's got a kick-ass area. So what are you gonna do? Keep on grinding, everybody. So all you small channels, including myself, keep on grinding. Keep doing what's fun. Keep doing barbecue and sharing it with the world. Oh hell yeah! Yes, it is. Perfect. Oh hell yeah.